Okay, everybody, before we make our way towards Roger Rabbit, we're here at the old motorboat cruise area, and I'm going to say this right now. This could be the preferred spot if Beauty and the Beast does get announced to come to Disneyland. Don't be shocked that this is the location they're going to choose. Yeah, this is probably their preferred site to use Beauty and the Beast and give Fantasyland that overhaul. Because, honestly, this is just an eating area. So, I could see them turning Edelweiss here, put it into a whole Beauty and the Beast area. So, if anything, if I had a say in this, this is probably, this entire motorboat cruise area will become Beauty and the Beast. In my humble opinion. Okay, folks. We're now about to, I think D23 this year is going to be extremely interesting. And an imposter! All right. All right. As we are passing, it's a small world. All right, so we're now about to enter into Toontown, so I can rest up for a little bit. Like I said, guys, the Toontown, the Funfair food reviews will start up very soon. So after the Easter holiday. So once Easter has passed, that's when the special food items for the Mickey's Fair event will start up. So at least look that up. And here's the Mickey and the Magical Map and the Fantasyland Theater. I will not, honestly, if they do announce an expansion, I will not be shocked if this goes. As much as it pains me to say it. And because A,
how you doing?
This is prime real estate. And now the big question is, I could see them possibly pulling a Festival of the Lion King, considering every time I've seen the show is usually sold packed to the factory capacity. I will not be shocked if they move Magical Map towards Launch Bay and renovate that into a theater again. Except not like Carousel of Progress, which, man, I want to get back to Disney World really bad right now. All right, we're heading into Toontown so we can prepare for Roger Rabbit. I'll see you guys in less than 20 minutes. Now, if rumors are to be believed, this will become the area for Mickey's Runaway Railway. Oh, fun pick spot. So, since we're here, and it's not yet been confirmed yet, nope, that kid just got electrocuted. Why don't we take one last look in here before the show ends? Oh, they got it working again. Very nice. They got it working. Very nice. Although if the rumors are to be believed that A, we're going to be losing, that this will become Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, it sucks that we're going to lose a really well-themed gift shop. But if it's to give Toontown some new life rather than getting renovated, rather than getting torn down, I'll take it. I'm kind of curious to see how Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway goes. And, oh, that looks nice. Of course, you get your Mickey merchandise here as well, and somebody else just got electrocuted. Now, if this were working, okay, can we get through a day without someone getting electrocuted? Okay, I feel like it. Let's see how this goes. No. I fell for it. Let's go to the power. Let's go to to the panel. Yep. If it's to be believed, you don't have much longer till these stores close. Oh! I blame you. All right, let's see. Oh. All right. Fire in the hole! Oh, excuse me, princess.